You've seen people turning small amounts of money into big gains with crypto, and the question is always the same. How do they actually do it? Well, here's the truth. There's no magic button, but there are proven strategies people use every single day to grow their wealth. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. First up, buying and holding. This is the classic long-term approach, where you pick strong coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum and just hold them over time. It's kind of like buying real estate or gold. The value may go up and down in the short term, but history shows it usually grows in the long run. Many investors built life-changing wealth this way, by simply being patient. But not everyone wants to wait for years, and that's where trading comes in. Trading is about buying low and selling high, sometimes within days, weeks, or even hours. Traders use charts and patterns to try and predict moves. It can be exciting, but let me be real with you. It's also risky. A lot of beginners chase hype and end up losing money. If you want to trade, you've got to study, practice, and learn how to control your emotions. Now, let's move to something more passive. Staking. Staking means locking up your coins to help secure the network. And in return, you earn rewards. Think of it like earning interest, but instead of a bank, it's the blockchain paying you. Coins like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana make this possible, and it's a great way to earn while you hold. Then we've got DeFi, decentralized finance. This is where things get a little more advanced, but also exciting. With yield farming or liquidity pools, you put your crypto to work inside DeFi platforms, and they reward you with tokens. It can give big returns, but the risks are higher too. So always do research before diving in. Another way people make money is through NFTs and gaming tokens. Some flip digital art, collectibles, or even in-game assets for serious profits. It's not for everyone, and the market can be unpredictable. But if you know what you're doing and catch the right project at the right time, it can be huge. And then there's dollar cost averaging, one of the simplest and safest strategies. You just invest a fixed amount regularly, like every week or every month, no matter the price. Over time, this balances out the highs and lows and takes the stress out of timing the market. Finally, let's talk about the most important part: risk management. Crypto can be exciting, but it's also volatile. Prices can skyrocket, and they can crash just as fast. That's why the golden rule is simple. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't risk your rent money. Don't throw in your life savings. Start small. Learn as you go. And think long-term. The real winners in crypto aren't the ones chasing overnight riches. They're the ones who stay consistent, patient, and disciplined. So, whether you're holding for the long run, trading the swings, staking, farming, exploring NFTs, or dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and Ethereum, remember this: making money in crypto isn't about luck. It's about strategy, patience, and smart decisions. Do your research, stay consistent, and play the long game. Because, in the end, the people who win are the ones who stay in the game long enough to see the rewards.